In this video, I review the Fifine C1 Lapel Mic and see if the quality is good enough to use. Are you curious? Cause Misa curious. Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sean Misa, and I make videos about photography, videography, and occasionally do some gear review. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe with the notification bell turned on so you can be updated when I upload new videos. So for those who don't want to watch the whole video, here's my brief synopsis on the microphone. Using it in comparison to what I normally use, the Rode Wireless Go, it does sound a lot better using it in addition to it. So this is a really good, cheap alternative that you can go ahead and use to definitely increase your audio quality. And as a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video, but I did get this product for free from them. All of the comments are my own, and they did not pay me to make this video, to review this one, and they're not reviewing this prior to me releasing it. So they're seeing it at the same time that you are. For all my reviews, I do want to give you my honest thoughts and my opinions. So if there's something I don't like about the product, I'll definitely let you know. With all of that out of the way, let's get into the Fifine C1 microphone. Included in this box is a nice bag that it comes in. This is kind of like a suede, almost suede bag. So that way you can go ahead and fit all of your stuff in here. And then, like I mentioned earlier, you do have the headset mic. So you can just pop that in over. But yeah, when I tried to put this one on, I just couldn't quite get the right fit. I don't know if I have a small head or what, but I guess once you do get it on there, yeah, see that mic kind of just moves up and down depending. So if you were kind of like using this one as a workout microphone, it kind of moves around. It's not quite as form-fitting as I'd like, but it does include this this headset, the microphone headset, and then after that, you also get your traditional lapel microphone. So you got that one, so you can just clip this one to anywhere, and then after that, you have your extension cord, which is really nice. That way, if you do want to go further than the 5 to 6 feet that I mentioned earlier, you definitely have that ability to with this cable. Another thing to note is these microphones, they do come with a TRRS plug. So if you do, these ones can plug directly into a phone perfectly, and you'll be able to go ahead and grab the audio from there. But if you do want to go ahead and use this on a camera or on your mic or on your laptop, I believe the laptop also requires the TRS plug, which luckily this thing does come with an adapter. So it comes with the TRS to TRRS adapter. And then you also get a Y splitter. So in case you wanted to go ahead and use actually both of them. So let's say you want to go ahead and do an interview. You have one person mic'd up with the headset mic and the other person mic'd up with the regular lav mic. And lastly, of course, you do have an extra clip. So in case you break it, lose it, drop it, break it, drop it, you have that. And then you have an extra foam piece for the headset, and then another smaller foam piece for the lapel mic. And yeah, that's everything that's included in the bag. So you know what? From here on out, I'm actually gonna go ahead and plug this one in, so that way you can hear me and hear the quality of this microphone. There you go. So now you can actually see that it's actually up on here. And like I mentioned earlier, it does come with an adapter, so that way I can go ahead and plug this one in, because on the Rode Wireless Go, it does use a TRS. So luckily there's the cable adapter from the TRRS to the TRS. So I've had this for the past week and used it a couple times here and there, but I haven't had a chance to use this on any client projects due to the quarantine. So I'll give my brief review and some tests for you to go off of. That way you can hear the quality of this microphone in both the quiet environment, which right now and you can hear the quality of when I'm speaking. I do have my headphones here so that way I can also hear it. So right now I do have these ones set to the same level on my preamp, so that way I can have a direct comparison without altering any of the volumes or any of the knobs on the back. Right now this mic is going for about $25 on Amazon, and I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description below. For the price, the sound isn't too bad. If you're on a budget, this is definitely way better than your built-in microphone on the camera or on your phone. These are a great starter kit. It's cheap, it's 25 bucks, and you can go ahead and plug this one into your phone, plug this one into your iPad, laptop, onto your camera. Because of all the different adapters, you can go ahead and plug them in to, depending on what your device takes. And it's just really great because it's super cheap, and you get some really decent quality audio from here. And it actually comes with quite a bit for 25 bucks. Comparing it to the other lavalier kit that I got, I thought it was going to be quiet on that one. But when I looked at when I looked on my monitor for the readings, the ratings actually came up pretty loud. It pretty much matched what I had on my current settings. I didn't have to tweak the knobs on the back for my preamps, so that way you couldn't hear me. This one I actually might need to turn it down just a little bit. But if you want to go ahead and hear the quality, this is the quality of this one, which is not too bad at all. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, and if you want me to review another product or product category, let me know, and you know what, I'll see what I can do. If you have any questions about this microphone, or if you want to go ahead and see more demonstrations from it, let me know that in the comment section as well, and I'll create a follow-up video. Otherwise, be sure to hit the subscribe button with the notification bell turned on so you can be notified when I post new videos. All right, so stay safe out there, and remember, get up and be curious.